Let's watch these two videos.
He ain't even moving, bro. He's just... What the fuck?
I mean, look, it makes sense. Cameras, antennas, CPU, batteries, even the charging coil on the feet. When they're on these wires, they're literally recharging their batteries. From 1959 to 2001, the government practiced bird genocide. They were putting stuff in the sky that killed every single bird. And since then, all birds have been replaced. In the 1970s, people even figured this out, and there was a movement called Birds Aren't Real. But of course, it wasn't put on the news or the media because all this stuff is controlled. Birds aren't real.